Yesterday in the meeting, you were talking about how some of these consolidations are breaking down rather than resolving higher. But you're in the camp that this is more of a false start than an epic failed breakout where everything's about to collapse. And what leads you to believe that?
I mean, again, it just comes back to what's happening just around the world. Just more stocks continue breaking out. And then again, when we just look at my cycle analysis, we run a lot of cycle analysis when it comes to on-chain data. And again, we're still not at frothy levels, right? The bull market tends to end when the average Bitcoin investor is holding about a 3.7 to 4x return on their money. So in other words, the average investor is up 4x on an unrealized basis. Right now, we're sitting at about 2.5. And so we're actually not all that frothy from just like a profitability standpoint. We've got good inflows happening. And so is the cycle going to end here? I mean, to me, it just seems like there's still more upside to go. And again, we actually haven't seen that massive speculative end really take off. You know, Bitcoin has really been leading this entire bull market, and the rest of the altcoins and the crypto stocks, which are more levered, have just been really underperforming this entire cycle. And so again, it doesn't really have the hallmarks of this classic speculative top break. And so I still think there's plenty more upside. And so I think this is more of a false start than a failed breakout. And then we just never retest these all-time highs again.